Welcome to this video. In this video, you study about hydroboration. It is a electrophilic addition of borane to alkene. Let us see what is meant by the borane. Borane, it is the BH3, that is the 3 hydrogen. It is attached to borane. It is a neutral electrophile because it containing the empty orbital. This free borane, that is the BH3, is not available as it spontaneously dimerizes to diborane. Means that this BH3 it is a unstable molecule. It combines with another BH3 molecule. It leads to the formation of the diborane, that is the B2H6. When diborane is dissolved in diethyl ether, a borane ether complex is formed. This borane ether complex is used as a source of the BH3, that is the borane. Let us see the hydroboration. Alkene, it reacts with the borane. In ether, there is the rapid addition of this borane to the carbon-carbon double bond. The initial product is the alkyl borane, and this reaction is called as the hydroboration because there is the addition of the hydrogen and the borane, that is the BH2. In this case, the double bond in the alkene undergoes breaking and there is the formation of the two new sigma bond between the doubly bonded carbon and hydrogen and doubly bonded carbon and the boron. This reaction is called as the hydroboration. Borane undergo rapid and quantitative reaction with alkane to form organoborane R3B in three separate reaction steps. In each step, one alkyl group is added to borane until all the three hydrogen are replaced by the alkyl group. When we treat the alkane with borane BS3, there is the addition of this borane to the double bond. There is the formation of this monoalkyl borane. In the next step, this monoalkyl borane react with the second molecule of alkene. There is the formation of this dialkyl borane. This is the one alkyl group. It is added in the first step. This is the another alkyl group. It is added in the second step. In the third step, this dialkyl borane, it is added to third molecule of alkane. There is the formation of the trialkyl borane, that is the R3B. In this, all the three hydrogen of borane are replaced by the alkyl group. Let us see the oxidation of hydroboration product. The organoborane, that is the R3B, when treated with alkaline hydrogen peroxide, and this is the hydrogen peroxide, then oxidized to corresponding alcohol. Okay, this R3B, it on treatment with the three molecules of the hydrogen peroxide in NaOH, there is the formation of the three molecules of the alcohol. This is the oxidation product. Let us summarize this reaction. Hydroboration oxidation reaction involves the addition of borane in ether to alkyl to form trialkyl borane R3B, which on oxidation with alkaline hydrogen peroxide it gives alcohol. Thank you.